Hi guys, welcome back. I'm really excited for this episode because I have one of the juiciest, one of the most delicious halloumi burger recipes for you today. This is the only halloumi burger recipe you'll ever need. It's the best, I promise you. So just imagine that my fiance, he's a massive beef burger fan, so his standards for a burger are quite high. So when I presented this vegetarian option, this halloumi burger, he loved it. So guys, I'm not exaggerating when I'm saying that this is the best halloumi burger recipe you'll ever eat. Just a note before we start, I upload yummy recipes and science-based nutritional tips every week. If you're interested in this type of content, hit the like button below, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. This recipe makes 4, which is great for a family meal or meal planning. I usually make 4 portions. We tend to eat 2 right away and save the rest for the following day. First of all, I tend to start with the part that will take the most time to cook, and that is the oven potato chips. I will peel and slice 3 potatoes, 2 normal ones and 1 sweet potato. Not everyone enjoys the sweetness of the sweet potato, so a mix of the 2 potato types helps to break the sweetness. If you don't want to use sweet potatoes as a side to your burger, you can obviously do courgette chips as well, so anything you like. For the sweet potato, if you feel that the slices are too long, then feel free to cut them in half. Add all your potato slices in a bowl. Drizzle with olive oil, 1 teaspoon or half tablespoon of turmeric, black pepper and salt. Mix well and transfer them into a tray covered with baking sheet. Leave them to cook in the oven for 35 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. These will come out fantastic, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. In the meantime, we are going to prepare the burger filling. We will need 2 garlic cloves. You can use 2 medium ones or even 1 if you are not a massive garlic fan. But we are, so I'm using for this halloumi burger recipe 2 big garlic cloves. Then I will slice 1 red onion. If you tend to cry while peeling onions, dip your knife in water while you peel or cut the onion, and trust me, it will help a lot with those tears. So next I will slice my red pepper. Keep as much of it as possible and try to throw as less of it as possible. I'm not good at food waste or minimizing food waste, but I do as much as I can. Lastly, I will slice my mushrooms. Now in this meal I am using plevrotus mushrooms because I couldn't find the shiitake that I usually get. So you can use any mushroom that you like. I just prefer shiitake or plevrotus as they have a meatier texture and flavor. If you're not a fan of mushrooms, a couple of my friends, for example, aren't, you can use aubergines instead. And of course, slice your halloumi, because what kind of halloumi burger this would be without halloumi? By the way, when you open a pack of halloumi, it will have some liquid. Keep it as we're going to use it later. Let's cook now, shall we? Drizzle olive oil in a pan and toss in your garlic. Firstly, crush it. I'm using a garlic press crusher and a knife to help me out. When you add onions, you can use your fingers to separate the slices so they cook nicely, and close the lid. Let this cook for 2 minutes at high-medium. I turn this up to 7. My heat settings are from 1 to 9. After 2 minutes, add your red pepper and mushrooms, mixing them with the garlic and onions, and leave them to cook for another 13 minutes in medium heat. I turn it down to 5. After 13 minutes, make space at the bottom of your pan for the halloumi slices. This is the part where we will add the juice from the halloumi package as well. The aim is to get the halloumi brownish on the outside. At the end, instead of the rubbery texture, your halloumi will be super soft. At this point, turn the heat to 8 and leave them to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will turn our halloumi slices on the other side and we'll add spinach. I know that this looks a lot, but believe me that it will wilt and just a bit will be left. So don't be afraid of the quantity, plus it never hurts to eat more greens. And your filling is ready now. Mix it so that the greens are spread as evenly as possible and set it aside. Grab some burger buns and warm them in a toaster or oven. We just want the inside of the bun to become just a bit crispier and warm, so no need to press on the buns, just close the top lightly. When the buns are ready, we are also ready to bring to life our halloumi burger. On the buns, spread either hummus dip or an avocado dip. Transfer 1/4 of the filling into the bun, so definitely a slice of halloumi and as much of the vegetables as you can. Close the burger with a top bun. Place some of your oven-cooked potato chips, which are delicious, and finish with binding the burger with a toothpick. And here you go. Look at this beauty. If you're saving some for the following day, save the filling in a container in the fridge and just warm it up slightly in a microwave or a pan before creating your burger. Okay, let's give this a try. Honestly guys, this is delicious. This is the best recipe. It's amazing. It's really good. It's juicy. The mushroom, the spinach, they give flavor to halloumi. Halloumi give flavor to all these vegetables. Honestly, it's really good. It's really delicious. The best. It's the best. You should definitely give this a go. And that's it from me today. I'm so excited for you to try this recipe. And guys, I'll see you soon.